Hello, this is Bradley Hamilton again with another chapter from the Expert Builders series. Here with us today we have a model built from my own mind, not from the idea book. It's a windmill that is motorized. I'll demonstrate its basic function here. There's a lot of gears in there, but when you transfer from a small gear to a large gear, it makes it go a lot slower. And there's a gear reduction box in here that makes it do some, but it still needs to be reduced more. So, as you can see in here, we have little gear reducers that I made. That makes the water wheel go. And then, to attach the wheel right here to the water wheel, we have a chain that attaches it. Then we have the living quarters, which neatly conceal the way, are the motor and the gearbox